Hello YouTube, I got bored so I bought a couple of blind bags that we've done before. So here we go. Without further ado, let's get to it. You recognize these? The blind balls, those are the rubberized things. I've done one of these before. This is the lip balm stuff, the lip gloss. And I've done Nerf ones, but this is a newer set that they just released. They have glow-in-the-dark ones, so I'm hoping to get one of those. So let's start with these ones. I have two today. Where is it? There it is. Let's cut them open. I've got 4 out of the 6, so maybe I can complete the set. I don't know. Highly doubt it. Ready? And, oh, we don't have the owl yet. That's cute. Hoo, hoo. It's the owl. That's clearly an owl, not like the other one where you couldn't even tell it was a frog. Alright, so I think the only thing we have left is the panda to get. Alright, let's see what we got. Ready? And we got the dinosaur again. I actually think this is really cute, so I'm not mad. I really am not. Alrighty. Lip gloss surprise. These ones got one of 4 different types. We have a cookie, a unicorn, a skunk, a giraffe, and some kind of owl or bird. I've gotten like the cookie one every single time I've gotten one of these, so let's see which one we have. Oh, we actually got one different this time. We got penguin. That's what it is. This is grape flavored. Cool. Glacis au raisin. Sabor de crema. Grape ice cream flavor. Actually, I can smell it here, and it's really grape smelling. Wow, it smells like that, the grape gum, the stringy gum, the big chew gum. That's what it smells like. And finally, we have, ooh, they really do glow in the dark. Nerf, I like these. Game on. I actually really like them. Let's see, do they really glow in the dark? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, they're really cool looking. Nice. And it's the same generic load up and shoot. But I actually like that one. I'll probably keep that one in the background. There we go. Okay, anyways, that was a quick unboxing. Not much to it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.